Well, howdy, folks. William from Williams, Philippines. It is Friday, July 19th, 2024, at about 6:40 in the a.m. Looks like everybody should be getting off to a good start on their weekend. I hope you're having fun. May it be a blessed day and all the food you can eat. Have a good day. Anyway, boy, starting to feel long-haired here. I'm gonna have to shave it off. Yeah. Been going over the budget, and oh yeah, it's amazing what $500, well, $487 will do to your budget. Yeah, welcome to Sideways. It is what it is, but that's okay. Like I said, I actually had half of it in the bank already. Well, not in the bank, but had half of it covered anyway. So yeah, it is better to be on the able to cover some things. And yeah, that's an advantage to actually having a slight bit of an emergency fund. My problem is, it seems like as soon as I have an emergency fund, 5 emergencies show up and sideswipe me. Yeah. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah. I got a email from Chewy, and we've refunded back to the credit card. Send the computer back to us. I didn't want a refund. I wanted the right computer. I'm sending it back to them, and we'll carry on this conversation again. I don't know. Part of me says just get rid of this thing and order a different computer from someone else. I saw there was one I was looking at, Neo or something like that. Seemed like it had a pretty good set of statistics on it, or stats on it. I don't know. I'll be thinking about that over this weekend. I just got this morning, so yeah, I'm not quite ready to figure it out. It's amazing. Apparently they do only business on Friday a.m. to Friday afternoon for their emails going out, because it seemed like every one of them are in that ballpark. Yeah. And almost every 2 weeks. They don't seem to do it every day. They just do it every 2 weeks. Sorry, the shrimp stir fry is trying to kick me. I feel all full. And, well, I had to eat my own cooking. And although my shrimp stir fry isn't bad, it ain't that good either. It's not up to restaurant quality. I'm not the greatest stir fry cook in the world, but I try. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah, Chewy and me are not very much in the agreeing on things state. Oh. And my shoulder and neck are acting up, so yay. I'm trying to stay straight. Everything wants to drop down like this. That turtle syndrome, I guess, is what where a turtle tucks its head back in. Anyway, it is what it is, and yeah, trying to get that taken care of and talk to them. I'm beginning to wonder if what to do with them. Like I say, part of me says just throw it back to them and be done. The other part says no, tell them I wanted a computer that was this. That's what I ordered, and you sent me the wrong one. Send me the right one, and I'll send this thing back. And they've made me have to, wait for forever. What, 2 months already? 3? Hey. And we're still going back and forth. Just got the email today again at, let's see, 5:41 for that. And yeah, I'm really tired of these folks. I mean, seriously, it's yeah. Oh, monitor for this other computer, my desktop, is right behind this one. So yeah, if I seem to be looking past this, I am. I don't know. Anyway, expecting some mail today from to go into my Anytime mailbox, my virtual mailbox. Anytime Mailbox is the company I'm using, and they seem to be doing pretty good, and I'm liking them so far. Don't have a lot going to them, but that's okay. I'm planning on setting up and sending a few more things over. That was one of the things I was thinking about doing here over the next hour or so, is try to get a couple things set up to go there, and have that as the address for me getting stuff from a couple of companies. This way it's I can get it opened and scanned and sent to me that way, and then just put it in my in the right mailbox and be good with it. So yay. Yeah, there's several companies that I need to get in touch with and get set up over there, and then also set up not having as much stuff physically mailed to me, get on paperless billing and such. I don't know, I'm kind of old school, and I like having physical bills. Yeah, it's kind of strange, I've grown up with that, and now all of a sudden, all this new territory. Hey. But hey, it is what it is, and like I said, Anytime Mailbox is the one I'm using. No, not sponsored, and they doubt they even know that I exist. I've had less than a dozen pieces of mail come through, and I've only had it for 2 or 3 months. 2 months. I think I just crossed into starting month 3, so yay. But I'm liking what I'm getting so far, and I'm happy with them. So have to get my cousin put on there as a as a valid recipient. Probably my aunt too. That way I've got 2 people on it. One of them's bound to be able to get there if I need them to. And this will give my aunt a address in Amarillo where she can go pick up the mail herself, and be able to keep a Amarillo address so that she can have certain advantages with that. So yay, because she's my aunt. This is her home too. She might not live here, but this is her home because, well, it's my home. And she's part of my family, so. And my cousin Edith also. I'm questioning my cousin Marvin. He is family, so yes. I'm not too sure about do I like the idea, but hey, family. Yeah. We get to choose our friends, and we're stuck with family. Hopefully, we love our family. Some of them are a little on the questionable side. Just saying. But you gotta love all of them anyway. And that's a good thing. You gotta you gotta take care of your family because they're the ones that take care of you. Anyway, yeah, that's a couple more things I need to get done. And I'm planning on trying to go over tomorrow morning and see what I can get in the way of a price for one of my the guns that I inherited from my dad, to get rid of them. See what kind of ballpark I get offered from several different places. And then I'm thinking also next week I'm gonna try to carry them all over to a couple of places that do consignment and see what they can do with them and leave them there for them to sell. Got to get these things gone, and quite honestly, I'm dragging feet on it. So I really need to get get that started. It's just much like my dad. I'm used to trading guns, but not selling them. I really hate the idea of selling any gun at all. But it is what it is, It's just part of it. Anyway, I hope y'all are having a good day. I hit 120. So, yay! Anyway, please hit the like button, subscribe button, and, please comment and share. I hope everybody's having a wonderful and blessed day. Enjoy your weekend. I've had pretty decent on mine, other than the fact that my wallet did take a hit. Ouch. It survived, though. That's the important part. Anyway, could have been worse. Y'all have a good day. I'm William from Williams, Philippines. And hey, I'm Fish. And guess what? Fish is out.